So this is the '03 Nissan Maxima. Thinking about going ahead and sending the old derby car off to the crusher. I can build me something new. I was thinking about running in a different class this year anyways, but I'm coming by to check on this. It's such a good price. Even if I bought it to take straight to the scrap yard, I could still make my money back. Let's see. He said he's had a new alternator, coils, plugs, wires, all that good stuff. It's not as clean under here as I thought. But the battery's deader than a doorknob. I don't know where that is. Well, we're gonna hook a jump pack up on it and see what it'll do.